Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best beard straightener brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for men seeking a polished and professional look, effortlessly taming unruly facial hair into a sleek, smooth style that commands attention and boosts confidence, making it an indispensable addition to any modern man's daily routine for achieving that perfectly groomed appearance with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. TYMO Ring Hair Straightener Brush. Tired of frizzy, unmanageable hair? Introducing the TYMO Ring, your new secret weapon for salon-quality results at home. Achieve sleek, straight hair in minutes. With 5 adjustable temperature settings, it's perfect for all hair types. Find the ideal heat level to safely straighten your locks without causing damage. Get ready in a flash. This innovative brush heats up in just 20 seconds, saving you precious time during your busy mornings. Style on the go. Traveling soon? No problem. Its dual voltage feature makes it your perfect companion for international trips. Enjoy beautiful hair wherever you go. Experience the difference of smooth, shiny, and perfectly straight hair. This styling tool is designed to give you a flawless finish with every use. Crafted for modern women, it combines advanced technology with user-friendly design. Achieve your desired look effortlessly and confidently. What we like. This one heats up in just 20 seconds with 5 temperature settings. It's perfect for those who need a quick and efficient styling solution. If you have thick or coarse hair and need to tame frizz quickly, this is a great option. What people say. The ceramic plates heat up quickly and evenly, reducing the risk of heat damage to hair. It features adjustable temperature settings, allowing for customization based on hair type and desired style. The anti-scald comb design protects your hands and scalp from burns during use. Number 4. Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler Brush. Tired of knots and tangles? Introducing the Ultimate Detangler Brush, designed to make hair brushing a breeze. It's perfect for managing your hair with ease. Whether your hair is straight or wavy, this brush is your new best friend. It glides through your locks, leaving them smooth and manageable. Our patented 2-tier teeth gently detangle your hair, significantly reducing breakage and split ends. Say goodbye to damaged hair and hello to healthier strands. Use it on wet or dry hair, it works wonders in both conditions. It's the versatile tool you need for everyday hair care. This hairbrush is shower-friendly, making your routine even more convenient. It's designed for easy use and cleaning. Suitable for everyone, this detangler is a must-have for all ages. It ensures everyone in the family can enjoy tangle-free hair. What we like. Its patented 2-tier teeth gently detangle wet or dry hair, minimizing breakage and split ends. If you struggle with knots or have fragile hair that needs careful handling, this is the brush for you. It's also shower-friendly, making it a versatile addition to your routine. What people say. This hair straightener heats up very quickly and is ready to use in under a minute. The ceramic plates glide smoothly through hair, leaving it straight and frizz-free without snagging. It has adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to choose the perfect heat for your hair type. Number 3. NITION Ceramic Tourmaline Hair Straighteners. Achieve salon-quality straight hair in minutes. This tool heats up rapidly, saving you time and effort. Its advanced heating technology ensures your hair stays healthy and smooth. The 3D floating plates provide even heat distribution for optimal styling. Enjoy effortless straightening at home or on the go. Its dual voltage feature makes it perfect for travel. This set includes everything you need for perfect hair. A travel pouch is included for convenience. Presented in an elegant gift box, it makes a wonderful present for anyone who loves to style their hair. What we like. Experience incredibly fast styling with 10-second heating and 3D floating plates for smooth, healthy results. If you're looking for salon-quality straightening at home with precise temperature control via its LCD display, this is an excellent choice. It also comes with a travel pouch and dual voltage for convenience. What people say. It heats up very quickly and the ceramic plates glide smoothly through my hair, leaving it straight and frizz-free. The adjustable temperature settings are great for different hair types, and the anti-scald comb design protects my scalp. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to style my hair without any strain. Number 2. TYMO Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. Tired of frizzy hair? Achieve smooth, straight styles in minutes with this innovative hair straightener brush. It's designed for effortless styling, giving you salon-quality results at home. Experience the power of negative ions. This technology helps to reduce frizz and enhance shine, leaving your hair looking healthier and more vibrant with every use. With 16 adjustable temperature settings, you can easily find the perfect heat for your hair type. The clear LCD display makes it simple to monitor and adjust the temperature for optimal results. This one-step hair straightener is designed specifically for women seeking a quick and effective styling solution. Get ready faster and look your best every day. Its dual voltage feature makes it perfect for travel. Now you can maintain your flawless hairstyles wherever your adventures take you, without any hassle. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully straight, smooth hair. This hot comb flat iron delivers professional, frizz-free styles that last. What we like. Achieve frizz-free styles with advanced negative ion technology and 16 precise temperature settings. If you desire smooth, sleek hair and want to combat humidity and flyaways effectively, this straightening brush is ideal. Its LCD display makes it easy to select the perfect heat for your hair type. What people say. This hair straightener heats up very quickly and is easy to use. It straightens hair effectively and leaves it smooth and shiny. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making styling effortless. Number 1. Men's Beard Straightener Kit. Tired of unruly beards? Achieve a perfectly styled look with ease. This tool is designed for all beard types, ensuring a smooth and polished finish every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for superior beard care. It comes with beard oil, balm, and a comb to keep your facial hair healthy and manageable. Take your grooming routine anywhere. Its dual voltage and travel-friendly design make it perfect for use on the go. Never compromise on your look, no matter where you are. Style with confidence thanks to advanced safety features. It includes an auto shut-off function and an anti-scald design for a safe and comfortable experience. Looking for a unique gift? This heated straightening brush kit is an ideal present for any man. Surprise him with a gift that enhances his style and confidence. Enhance your grooming knowledge with a complimentary ebook. Learn expert tips and tricks to maintain and style your beard like a pro. What we like. This is a complete kit designed specifically for men's beards, including beard oil, balm, and a comb. If you're looking to tame and style your beard with ease, this heated brush with anti-scald features and auto shut-off is a safe and effective solution. It's also dual voltage and travel-friendly, making it a perfect gift. What people say. The ceramic plates heat up quickly and evenly, reducing the risk of heat damage. It has adjustable temperature settings, allowing for customization based on hair type. The anti-scald design ensures safe handling during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.